You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature. Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop. Happy Halloween week to you. I do a series of different items for Halloween. This is the Sweet Shop Monster Bites No Bake Cookie Dough Kit. Makes about 14 to 16 bites included. Well, I'll show you this. It shows you in the little spider web there on the bottom right corner. Amongst this like white brick wall, there is this Monster Bites kit includes cookie dough mix, sprinkles, candy eyes, and color gel. I got to turn this to green. This side is the nutritional facts and information. And then this, of course, no bake. So you just mix it. Then you roll cookie dough in okay place on parchment paper, lined paper, or tray. It looks like somewhere it's got, refrigerate for 1 hour. So there's also a caution, color gel may stain skin and surfaces. So I'll be very careful when I do that. Let's get this out of the box at least. I do have everything I need off to the side. Well, at least investigate what's here. Okay, here's the little gel. That's pretty cool. Green, like a nice dark green. Here's my candy eyeballs, the sprinkles, and the cookie dough. Okay, that's what I get in the package. Alright, so that's everything in the box. When I come back next, I will start mixing the cookie dough. Alright, so time to make my monster bites. And it's actually really monster eyeballs, right? Alright, so in a large bowl, combine cookie dough mix, 6 tablespoons softened butter, and 2 tablespoons water. If using an electric mixer, I don't think I need to use an electric mixer for this, so I'm just going to run without it. So, combine cookie mix. Okay, there we go. Of course, I've washed my hands. Softened butter, which this is, and 2 tablespoons water. 1, 2. How simple can it get? All right, so let's get in here and mix this up. I guess they just want a lumpy dough, right? I do have a handheld mixer that I brought in the videos, but I thought, let's just do it the old-fashioned way with a spoon. It'll take a little longer, but I'll get it done. And it says, using a pair of scissors, then carefully clip a small corner from the green color packet. So that is the next step. All right, so I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll just keep mixing and check back. Or do you want to just hang out? I don't know. Let's just hang out. What is everybody going to be for Halloween? Have you picked your costume? Or are you one of those last minute, just grab whatever you have in the closet and that is your costume? Or do you make something easy up? Okay. Not lumpy enough yet. I switched hands to the more dominant right hand. So it will be soft when it's first mixed. So dough will be soft when it's first mixed. Okay. I don't think we've come together yet. Okay. It hasn't worked itself into a ball. You're only mixing it for 1 minute. I think we're going to have to run with that. All right, let me come back now. I'm going to change my camera angle and then do the food coloring. And I'll just give this a little bit more. I think that's kind of what they want. And at some point I'm going to lump this into a ball, right? Let's see, cover bowl, okay, squeeze contents in the mixed cookie dough, mix thoroughly, cover bowl with plastic, and refrigerate. Okay, all right, I'll be right back. Okay, so that's what I have now. It just took a little bit, and then I just squished it all together. So now, using a pair of scissors, carefully clip a small corner. Well, there's no options here. I don't want it to go in, so I'll just cut the top. Ooh, look at that. Nice dark color. Don't get it on your fingers or it'll be on the next 2 or 3 videos. Probably too late. Well, you're gonna get dirty when you do these things, right? Okay, now mix this. Let's just see, I'll tilt it up this way. How's that? Oh, so where was I? Your costumes. What are you doing? Did you tell me in the comments? Because I have been replying to comments. We don't have much longer together, everybody, in regards to comments. They'll start being taken away. Believe it or not? Well, believe it. It's been a downward spiral for YouTube, for our types of channels, especially my channel, for 3 years now. Downward spiral. You could just tell they want to go in a different direction, I think. So I have till probably the end of December, January 1. It looks like they are turning off all comments. So I was thinking maybe to resurrect my Lucky Mini Food. Actually, I have 3 videos sitting there still. And maybe there's a reason why I saved those videos. Not realizing now what's happening. Maybe that channel will not be affected. If it's not, then I can comment over there. Okay. Me personally, it almost seems like it's just a little dry, but I did what they said. So I'll keep going. I'll come back when I feel I've got it all the right consistency. And I will check back in with you. Actually, yeah, let me do that. I'll come back. Okay, I've been just kind of like lumping it over, almost like I'm kneading it in the bowl. Man, now I'm wishing I used that electric mixer. But I think I've got it to a nice consistency, don't you think? Here, let me hold it up for you. It's a nice green color. And I did get some on my fingers, but for the most part, my hands stayed pretty clean. So not as bad as I was expecting. So now, they want me to cover this with some kind of foil or plastic wrap and refrigerate for 1 hour. Then I can come back and roll them and then get them set as monster bites. I will be back then after 1 hour. All right, I am back. I have my happy pumpkin plate. Now, they did say put parchment paper down, but you know what? I wanted to leave my plate so I can see my pumpkin. And then here is the dough. So that came out pretty nice. Looks like something I could easily shape into little balls. So I will do that in just a second. Let me get my sprinkles ready. Gotta have the sprinkles ready, so put them in a bowl. So guess what? I'm going to put them in a little bowl. You want to be able to dip your cookie in there. And I'll get the eyeballs in here. Okay, there you go. 1.5 inch. Now, they also wanted you to get a little bit of water, so I have that to wet the top. Here, let me move this all over just a little bit. That there. Let's put this here. Let's bring the camera inside down a little closer so you get a better look. And let's get rid of that. I'll just take these like this. Now remember the front of this, little eyeballs. They have some with 1, some with 2. Now my hands are clean. I have washed them thoroughly. Now remember, this is a no bake, so you're basically just eating them like that. Now, didn't it say it made like 16 or 12? It's about 14 to 16. So that's probably close to 1.5 inches. Maybe it's a little bigger. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here. Yeah, I mean, you got to be enough, a decent size so that you can get the eyes on them. 1. It does say results vary. Whatever that means. I know what it means, but what could vary? If you follow all the recipes and directions. big one. Here, I'll put a little bit of that onto that. I brought the paintbrush in to allow me the opportunity to wet it and then use that for their hair. Okay, there we go. Got a little bit on my finger. You probably could just take this and go like that, then in here. All right, and then get an eyeball and stick it on there. Let's move this one here. I will give you a grand view once I put it right on the eye of the pumpkin without even realizing it. Yeah, I kind of like this idea better. Let's give this one 2 eyes. Ooh, almost the wrong way. There we go. They are pretty cute, if I do say so myself. What do you think? Cute little eyes? Yes, we don't need this anymore. I did have some tissue off to the side that I was going to put down. And as I was doing it, I'm like, you know what? Just leave it. I like my orange plate the way it is. Okay, so I'm going to do this. Ooh, why did I move that over there? I don't know. Do this. Put on my eyeball. Okay. Now I could do that, or I can just put an eyeball on it if I don't want any. Let's say I do that. I just want to put an eyeball like that. I want to do 2 like that just because I can. Oh, you know what? Let's do that. And let's give him a little eyebrow. There, that's good. Let's try that again, but this time I'm going to use this now because I can get a little less on there. There's his eyebrow. That one looks better. They're looking at you. I was thinking to myself, should I make them all? Should I not make them all? But guess what? I'm going to make them all. It says they can keep up to a week in the fridge, I think. I have to do one with no hair at all. Okay, I'm going to back this up a little. Camera's all the way out. And then I'm going to do this one just a little crazier. Look at that one. Okay, now when I touch that one, the wetness got a little of the black on my finger. See, I got an eyeball imprint. That's not dirt, everybody. That is just black food dye. I might bring this one up here. It's my presentation plate. I might as well. 2 more. I'm not going to wet it and see. Yeah, you don't even need to wet it. Why do I always listen to directions? Okay, the next one I'm going to do totally crazy. Well, I'll tell you what, they give you plenty to decorate. Now, I did them all with 1 eye. That's just the way I worked it out. I don't know. Let's do this one with more eyes. Look at that guy. Woo! And let's make this one on this side a double eye. Ooh, almost the wrong way. There. Okay, I think that's what I want to do. Let's take a look. Let's take a closer look. This is a fun project. I can see this would be good with the kids. It's quick. It's easy. You don't have to bake them. You can just get right in there, start to decorate. Now, which one would you eat? I'm not sure exactly which one I would eat. Let me think about this. Okay, I'm thinking. Well, that gives me time to say, hey, if you can, it would really help me out a lot. 1, in the lower area there above the comment section, I usually pin a playlist link. Hopefully you can go watch those. 2, I had to update the Lucky Penny Shop website, and I really need help there. If you shop on Amazon, to look at the website, I have quite a few products there I'm working on, and I got 1,600 products. I'll probably put this one there if I could find it somewhere, something similar, so that you can find things quickly and then click through to Amazon. All right, which one? I'll eat the one way in the back, part of the presentation. All right, here we go. I will eat with the eyeball and some hair. Let's put an eyeball back in there. Yeah, I guess you could have shaped them however you wanted, like that, right? Okay, so I'm eating cookie dough, and it's tasty. And thanks for watching, everybody. I really do appreciate it. Your help goes a long way to help me in Lucky Penny Shop. Hope you enjoyed the video. I had fun making all these eyeballs for you, and thanks for watching. Later.
If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS-Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up.